Today, we will talk about FTP configuration in AGen software. In AGen software, FTP configuration helps the users to form a connection with client to server. You can find the FTP configuration button at Setting in left sidebar. In this page, you can configure your FTP and SFTP. There is a button to enable and disable background process. Choose your protocol type and authentication type. You can find your FTP hostname and port number in command prompt. You can type in IPCONFIG to see your IPv4 address, NETSTAT to see your port number. After that, you can key in your FTP username and FTP password. You need to set a folder address for both client and server side to upload the data. You can test the setting by clicking the Test Setting button. There will be a notification message below to tell you the result. If you want to confirm and save the setting above, you can press the Save Setting button to save the data above. It will also a notification tell the user the data have been saved. You can also manually upload the document by pressing the Manual Upload button. There will be a notification tell the total document uploaded. After refreshing the page, you can the result in the server folder. To know us more, you can visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code in the screen.